Hey, I am Prince Ray Ray with your latest AI news powered by Xtream Solutions. All right, let's begin with today's top story. Imagine a media processing server equipped with AI tools like TOS storage, video concatenation, image generation, and more. That's the Media Agent MCP for you, a game changer in the world of AI-driven media processing. With support for AI models like Xtream and Xdance, this server opens up a whole new realm of possibilities in image and video processing. And let's not forget about Seed 1.6, enabling multimodal visual language understanding like never before. From installation methods to performance optimization, this article covers everything you need to know about Media Agent MCP. It's a complete package for anyone looking to leverage AI in media processing. That's your AI news update. I'm Prince Ray Ray, and this has been powered by Xtream Solutions. Make sure to subscribe for daily AI updates. Drop a comment. What do you think about this breakthrough? Thank you for watching. Visit us on the web at www.xtreamsolution.net.